Hello, you guys. It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. For the love of, if you're joining for the first time, I want to say welcome and thanks for taking the time to click on this Bath & Body Works / White Barn candle review. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, as always, welcome on back. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you Wildberry Jam Donut from Bath & Body Works, part of one of their newest candle collections that's out right now. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen me post about this a few days ago or so, and there's kind of a lot of hype surrounding this candle. When I smelled this on cold, I was just in love with it. I for sure knew that it would be one of those wildly successful candles. I figured I would really like it. I figured it might be right up there with blueberry pie and berry waffle cone and all those other good yummy gourmand ones that come out during the pre-spring season. There is a collection of these. If you want more insights on the whole collection overview of this candle collection, I do have a video up. It's part of my mini SAS haul, and I also talk about this bake shop collection. There's about 4 or 5 others. This one is the only one I purchased. I did go in store and I broke down and paid full price for this, you guys. That's how much I liked this one on cold. So I did pay $24.50 for it. I did have a 10 off 40 coupon, so I did purchase a couple other items, so I guess it wasn't technically full price, but there was not a candle sale going. That's how much I liked this candle on cold. And I'm going to be reviewing it for you today. Before I dive into my thoughts on this candle and the performance, let's start off with the scent notes, as I always do. I'll throw them up on the screen. The scent notes for Wildberry Jam Donut include Wildberry Jam, Donut, and then brown sugar crumbles. I believe it's sugar crumbles. I'll throw them up on the screen for the exact notes. On cold, what do I get? It's just a yummy kind of yummy berried, almost like a berry pie, berry donut type filling fragrance with just kind of like, it has a ooey gooiness to it, almost like you would get from like a jam or jelly. Get a little bit of like a powdery sugar action kind of going on, and maybe a little bit of, like they're saying, like that sugar crumble. It's just a really good scent on cold. What I will also mention is there are 2 different batches with this candle. I did not notice it when I first started talking about this candle, but when I went in store this second time today, I did take note that there's 2 different batches floating around. This one, again, I'll throw it up on the screen of my particular candle's batch number. Mine came with a gold lid. There's another batch floating around out there with like a pinkish lid. So just keep in mind when you're shopping, there are already 2 different batches going out. So my thoughts on this candle. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this has been burning for about hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. First burn, but I have it going in an open room. I don't have any other candles going or anything else like that. The throw it's there. The throw's semi-noticeable. It's not, I wouldn't say as strong as like blueberry pie. Maybe on par with berry waffle cone. It has a strong-ish scent, but it's not always the strongest thrower. I'd say this is on par with that. It's noticeable though. You definitely can smell that you have like a bakery-ish candle going. 1 to 10, 10 of course being the strongest in an open room. This is probably like a 7, 6.5, 7. It's noticeable. You're really smelling just kind of like that warm kind of berry fragrance. My issue, you guys, is the fragrance itself. This candle smells so good on cold. So good on cold. But when burning, it smells watered down. It smells like a light, artificial jelly jam scent. It does not translate to what it smells like on cold, you guys. This one smells so delicious on cold. But when burning, it's just not there. You get a lot of waxiness. It's like that beautiful scent is just getting diluted down by almost like a waxy type fragrance. So I'm really bummed. I for sure thought this was going to be one of those ones I was going to stock up on a couple of them. What I am going to do is I'm returning this one. I will be returning this one maybe tomorrow or, when I get a chance to get back to a Bath & Body Works, and I'm getting a secondary batch. I'm going to try to find a different batch number. So, if you're watching this review, keep in mind, rewind this video, look and make sure and see what that batch number is, the one that I purchased. Again, I probably threw it up on the screen for you. I'm gonna try a different batch. I will do Instagram follow-ups on that if I wind up getting a different batch number, and hopefully that one performs for me. But what I would say is if you love this scent, double check your batches. This one is just a no-go for me. It's one of those Bath & Body Works candles that smells really good on cold, and when you're burning it, you just get like this hot, kind of waxy fragrance. Really, really bummed about this. The packaging's darling. No issues with the burn or anything. It pulled out quickly. It's just that scent, you guys. This is a no-go for me. If you guys have used Wildberry Jam Donut, if you've smelt any of the Bake Shop fragrances in store, leave a comment below. Or if you've purchased maybe a different batch of this candle, leave it in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts. Before I sign off, I do also want to let you guys know that I'm on Instagram. So if you're on there, come find me at life, LIFE _ with WITH _ letter L. I use my Instagram to post a lot of upcoming videos, purchases, hauls, vendor wax, things like that. So if you're on there, come find me. And again, you guys, I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news on this one. I was super hyped about this, but if anything, maybe this will stop you guys from purchasing this batch and trying a different one. That's it for me today. As always, hope you're having an awesome day, an awesome evening, an awesome weekend, an awesome start to the New Year's season, whatever time it is you're watching this video. Until next time, we'll see you later.